Catfish Terry's crib, y'all. We got our new boat in. And got the rod holders mounted. Wanted you to check them out. Hillsrodholders.com, Hills Forms, Wire Forms. Ask for Tommy, tell him Catfish Terry sent you. The best deal around and great quality, sturdy, and just for what everybody wants for the brackets. Everywhere else, I got all my rod holders, mounts and everything for the railing. Didn't have to drill no holes, didn't want to drill no holes in our new boat. But Tommy at Hillsrodholders.com, man, he's as nice as he can be. Give him a call on the phone. Tell him Catfish Terry sent you. And also, my little bait tray over here. That thing mounts straight to the rail. That's Amazon has them, but Mr. Tom Kelly sent me that. Shout out to make sure you got Tom Kelly Outdoors too. But this is me and the Carver family's crib. You're gonna start seeing a lot of videos. Come hang out with us. Let's go catch some big fish. Go to carversfamily.com, Catfish Terry, and check out Coach Plays, my other son. But we're about ready to roll. Go see Tommy though, get you some great rod holders. He's got any kind you want, y'all. Any style from 0 angle to on the T-bars and everything. And you will not believe the prices. Hillsrodholders.com. Till next time, y'all, get hooked. Let's go fishing.